This is how to buy USDT using Bybit crypto exchange. So if you're in P2P trading, this first one, click on it. Once you click on it, we are buying. So you see buy, you see sell. If you want to sell, you click sell. But I'll make another video on how to sell in case if you don't know. With this method, you don't need anybody to buy crypto for you. You can do it by yourself. Follow this process I'm about to show you and you will definitely get it right. So once you open this page, click on buy. Then you see this place filter, click on it. Click on it, then tick the first one, show only verify advertisers. Then the show only this one and this one. Just click this three. Then you click on confirm. Now here they will ask you the amount. How much USDT do you want to buy? Let's say you want to buy 18,000 naira USDT. That is for those in Nigeria, but if you are not in Nigeria, you can just put your country, you can just put the amount you want to buy. So once I put 18,000, I click on confirm. Now they will bring all the verified sellers to me, as you can see. So let's check for someone that is online so that I can release this thing very fast, my assets. So this person, his lordship is online. As you can see, this green thing here shows that he's online, and he's selling 1 USDT. 1,606 is equals to 1 USDT. So I'll click on buy, and he's selling, the limit is from 4,005 to 288. So I click on buy. Once I click on buy, you put that amount you want to buy. Let's say I put 17,000. So I will get let me try 18,000. I put 18,000. I'll get $11. So the next thing I should do is to click on buy. You click on buy. Okay, this is the name of the person. This is the details, the price and all that. The next thing, click on pay now. I click on pay now. You see this box here? You can click here to read the persons. I'm supposed to do this before clicking on proceeding with the payment, proceeding with the pay now. But let's just say this: the following do not accept third-party payment. That means you must pay from your bank app. Don't use another person's name to pay. The name on your Bybit account must tally with the name you are paying with. Look at what the person just dropped. Screenshot the receipt for me when you are done paying, and please don't add any crypto related remarks on payment, please. I'll just type okay, then I'll send it. So the next thing I should do now is to go and make the payment. I'll go look at the time. So I'll just click on, this is his details. I'll copy it, click on this small place, copy successfully. So this is account details, this is the name, this is he's using Kuda. So I'll go and make the payment with my mobile app, then I'll come back. Just let me go and make the payment. I'll be back. So I've made the payment. So the next thing you should do is to click on payments completed. Click on this place. So I'll click on this, then I'll click on confirm. Now for me to send him receipt, because he said I should send, I click on contact, then click on this plus sign. You see photos, click on photos. I'll select this one, the first one, then I'll click on confirm. Look at it, this is it. It did not take me up to 5 minutes to make the payment. So with this process, you can buy USDT. As you can see, they just send notification is completed. So I'll click on done. I'll click here. Once I'm done, the next thing you should do is to click on, if you want to buy any asset, you click on this asset. Then if you want to buy, you click on transfer. Now you transfer it from your funding wallet to your trading wallet. It's already on funding wallet. Look at it. Is on this is unified trading account. So for me to be able to buy, if I want to go and buy, for instance, if I click on this market, this place now, and let's say I want to buy this lunar click on it, drag this, you see nothing is here because it's still under funding wallet. So for you to be able to buy, all you need to do is to go back to that asset. You will see deposit, you will see withdraw, and you will see transfer. Click on transfer, then you transfer from funding to unified trading account. Then you click, or if you want to transfer, or you click on mass, then you click on confirm. That is just it. Then let's do that again. You go back under market, you want to buy any coin, you click on this. It's under spot, as you can see. It's 10 USDT, 11 USDT. So it's just as simple as that. With this method, you can buy any crypto assets using a Bybit. With this method, you can buy crypto assets without telling anybody to please help me and buy. That 2,000 naira, 3,000 naira you want to waste, use it, go and secure a good crypto asset for yourself. Like you can buy SRP, you can buy Dogecoin. For watching, if you find this video very interesting, please do well to give me a follow, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so that you will get notification each time I drop a video like this. Thank you.